Hello, in this video I will be going over the setup of the custom homepage on the luxury WordPress template. The custom homepage is completely optional, so if you're using the blog style home, you don't need to go through this step. As you can see here, I have installed the theme, I installed the plugins and activated them, the ones that come with the theme anyway. I added 3 categories: portfolio, general, and news, and then I added posts underneath the portfolio category, and 3 of them have the post thumbnail added, which is a new feature in WordPress 2.9. Alright, so as you can see here, I have just the default homepage. I did change the layout so it's the 3-column, which I'll show you how to do, just to make things a little easier to see on this smaller screen for recording. So you can see the default hello world, generic post, and here are 3 portfolio items I added. You can see they each have a post thumbnail. So what we want to do is create a homepage and pull those into it. So I'm going to go to Pages, Add New, and you don't have to call it Home, it's just how it shows up on the menu. You don't need content. What you do need to do though is set the home page template. Alright, that should be all we need to do for now. Go ahead and add it. Alright, so as you can see, there's nothing on it. But what we do need to do next is under settings and reading, we need to say that we want our home page to actually be our home page. So now if I go back, our home page is the home page, the root. So now let's add something to it. Basically all you need to do is go into theme settings. Actually, let me show you what categories I have here. Portfolio is the one that has 3 posts under it. And if you look in the status bar on the bottom of the browser there, you can see category equal 5 at the end. We need that 5. So I'm going to go into theme settings. Here's our layout. Okay, homepage promo category. It can be multiples, you can do everything and then exclude like category 22. You can do whatever you want. And there's a link also how to find your own category IDs. Ours is 5. So I'm going to hit save. Go back out to the home page, and here we go. Those 3 posts are being pulled in now, and if you were to click on one, it goes right to that specific post. Okay, so the home page is pretty bare though, so let's add some widgets to that and finish setting it up. Alright, so you can see home column A, B, and C. Let's just add random things to it. How about links? Show the pages. And then let's add some text. Text is what you really should use here. It's not picking that up. There we go. Go ahead and hit save. And then refresh. And now you can see we have 3 columns on here. Like I said, my demo uses the text widget for that, but there is a plugin that I included for the home posts widget, and that just displays them in a nice way. And also, if you wanted to pull in those portfolio items there as well, or a specific category, you know, maybe your news is a specific category and you can add it here. And again, you can add multiple categories or just exclude. There's instructions right there. Let me refresh. It's a little hard on this low resolution. So here you can see that custom widget and then text widget, and then this was just the links. So that's pretty simple. Now underneath all those widgets there is a footer widget, which is those small thumbnails. So I'm going to grab the footer thumbnail widget, drop it in, and again I'm going to say category 5. Maybe they were from a different portfolio you want to pull in, but I'm just going to pull everything in from the same category. And there you go, there's the 3, and that was the heading and then a description, which can stretch all the way along here. Now some of you may not want 3 columns, you might want 1, you might want 2, you might want 2 big on the right. So we go into theme settings, and then homepage widget layout. 3 columns, 1 column, 2 columns of varying widths. All these columns have to add up to 16 or 12 actually. So you can see there's a 10 column span and a 2 right next to each other. Let's do that one. Shortcut to saving is just hitting enter in a text box. Let me refresh. And now you can see this one is huge, but this one is narrow. By default, it's a 3 column. Okay, and what if you wanted to do the home page using custom fields and pull in only exactly what you want? Well, there's a quick way to do that. Again, no content. Basically what you need to do is just say promo image, and I'm going to grab a link here using the dummyimage.com, which is very handy, and I'm going to do 2. And now you can see they're being pulled in from there. Sorry, on local it's just acting goofy. They're the same image, so there's not much to look at. But that overrides your settings and the theme settings. And if you wanted promo URL, let's add 1 link. That should actually be a real link, but not for the demo. Alright, and let's just update it. And now you can see that goes to just the #1, and the next one would go to #2. So if you had 3 images and you had 3 links, they're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, match up with each other. The links are optional, so that's totally up to you. Alright, and that is the custom homepage. Kind of torn this one apart. It doesn't look the best right now, but with your own images it should look good. Alright, thanks for watching.